Hello students, in this video we are going to solve x times square root of 4 plus 2 times x. This is equals to 3 plus x, and here we will find out the value of x, and x belongs to real number. Students, here we will apply substitution method. If we substitute this square root of 4 plus 2 times x, this is equals to a, then this a is greater than equals to 0. Now if we take square both side, in left hand side square root of 4 plus 2x, this is equals to a, and here if we take square and here square, then this square root is cancelled out by this square, then 4 plus 2 times x, this is equals to a square, then here 2 times x, this is equals to a square minus 4. Now divide both side 2, then you will get x is equals to a square minus 4 over 2. Now this x is replaced by a square minus 4 divided by 2. A square minus 4 divided by 2, and this expression is replaced by a, then here a, and this is equals to 3 plus, and x is replaced by a square minus 4 over 2. Then in left hand side a is multiplied by a square, then we get a power 3 minus a is multiplied by 4, then we get 4 times a divided by 2, and this is equals to 3 plus a square minus 4 over 2. In left hand side a cube minus 4a divided by 2, and in right hand side this 3 is same as 6 over 2 plus, and here a square minus 4 divided by 2. A square minus 4 divided by 2. In left hand side a cube minus 4a over 2, and in right hand side we have like fraction. Here common denominator is 2, and sum of the numerator, that is 6 plus a square minus 4. Then if we multiplied both side 2, then in left hand side this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out, and this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out. In left hand side we have a power 3 minus 4a, this is equals to a square 4 minus 4 plus 6, that is plus 2. If we take all the expression in same side, then a cube minus 4a minus a square minus 2, this is equals to 0. This is cubic equation, that is a cube minus a square minus 4a, a square minus 4a minus 2, this is equals to 0. Here a cube minus a square is same as plus a square minus 2a square, and minus 4 times a is same as minus 2 times a minus 2 times a minus 2, and this is equals to 0. Here look carefully these two terms, if we take common a square, then here a plus 1, and here if we take common minus 2a, then here a plus 1, and here if we take common minus 2, then a plus 1, and this is equals to 0. Now a plus 1 and a plus 1 is common. If we take a plus 1 is common, then here a square minus 2a minus 2, and this is equals to 0. Here we will apply this rule. If a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule here, then we can say a plus 1, this is equals to 0, or a square minus 2a minus 2, this is equals to 0. Here value of a is minus 1, but we know that a is greater than equals to 0, so that's why this value a is equals to minus 1 is rejected. Then here a square minus 2a minus 2, this is equals to 0. A square minus 2a minus 2, this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation. Here we will find out the value of a square minus 2a, this negative 2, if we take right hand side then this is positive 2. If we add both side 1, then in left hand side here plus 1 and in right hand side plus 1, a square minus 2a plus 1 is same as a minus 1 whole square, this is equals to 2 plus 1, that is 3. Then here we can say a minus 1, this is equals to plus minus square root of 3. Then here a minus 1, this is equals to, if we take positive sign then here square root of 3, and a minus 1, this is equals to, if we take negative sign then here minus square root of 3. Here value of a is 1 plus square root of 3, and here value of a is 1 minus square root of 3. This 1 minus square root of 3 is negative, and we know that a is positive, so that's why this value of a is also rejected. Here value of a is 1 plus square root of 3, and we know that a is square root of 4 plus 2 times x, square root of 4 plus 2 times x, this is equals to 1 plus square root of 3. If we take square both side, then in left hand side this square is cancelled out by this square root, then here 4 plus 2x, this is equals to, in right hand side we will apply a plus b whole square, then 1 plus 3 plus 2 times square root of 3, then 4 plus 2 times x, this is equals to 1 plus 3, that is 4 plus 2 times square root of 3. If we subtract both side 4, then in left hand side 2x, this is equals to 2 times square root of 3. Now divide both side 2, then you will get x is equals to square root of 3. This is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.